Try to pull me away, but they don't know.
And Kevin's just hiding.
Close it. Oh my god, I've
Take a picture of the mom needs to be in the way the whole time.
Give me a step.
No.
Erg.
Maybe after the picture taking.
The picture isn't being taken.
Yeah, you're waiting for it.
Actually, no, I'm videotaping.
Oh shit.
But my camera just totally.
Did it die yet? You should tell me
Give
when
me
it
the
dies.
business.
Give me the business. Give me the business.
Shit, my camera froze again.
He's a beast.
He's a doubt, he's a motherfucking problem. Okay, yo, we're gonna go with a goon to work out.
You were scary.
It's a big bullshit. Come here.
Bitch. My favorite private.
I'm not trying to afford to be some crazy ass YouTube video.
She put a name to my bitch.
Oh my.
You know what you should do? When you talk to me.
What?
This one's gay.
Why are you recording this?
Cause I'm laughing at Katie.
I'm not retarded. I'm not Brian. And he going.
Katie keeps singing.
And the only song Brian can sing. That one song he can always sing.
What?
That one that dude sang in White Chicks.